What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with a quick app update that I just got into. Pretty interesting. I could see something like this coming to VeVe. We just had the Miles Morales drop. Of course, the secret rare with only 250 editions. If you got one on the drop for 50 gems, it's sitting at 6,500 right now. So congrats on that. I did pick up the ultra rare and a couple of the rares, but didn't get the secret rare. Hopefully someday. But what I want to talk about is this Marvel app. It's by Topps. So it's called Marvel Collect. You can find it on the App Store. But they have some interesting things built into this app that I could see really improving VeVe. So they have trading, daily missions. You can see your collection all in one spot. But the thing that's really interesting is this fusion tab. So what you can do is, with your collection, you collect, a certain amount of cards. They have different rarity types, so this could be common, and what are the odds that I hit a Miles Morales while doing this. But you can have common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, so on and so forth. But if you want to trade up to try to get a rare collectible, basically you can fuse two of your lower rarity cards together, and that essentially burns them. And then you have to wait for a certain period, and then as you just saw, you can come back and claim the new collectible. So what's really missing in VeVe, and what will drive the collecting portion of the app, is some type of mechanic where you can burn your collectibles. Say you had 10 common Thors, and you can burn those and get maybe a new collectible or trade up in rarity in some way. Like they keep some back, in the vault. So maybe they'll have specific time frames where you can come in, there's an event. If you burn during this period, you can unlock one from the vault, so on and so forth. But just something simple like that would really drive engagement and scarcity of some of the older pieces. So I do see them implementing something like that in the future. You guys should check the app out. It's Marvel Collect. It's on the App Store. It's free. You can download it and play around with it and check out the fusion feature, because I think it's really interesting. And I think it is something we could see on the app. With that being said, shout out to Miles Morales, my favorite collectible on the app now. I'm more into the comic book side, but I love the Miles collectibles. And Spider-Man is getting a run for his money. We'll see who wins the battle. It's 1,000 for the first ever Spider-Man on the blockchain versus 250 editions for the Miles Morales, the new kid on the block. So it's fun to see them go head-to-head. Spider-Man has been here through the ups and downs. I believe there was confirmed sales of that Spider-Man close to 100K, I think. So it'll be interesting if we get back into another bull run, which one's going to take the lead. But as always, do your own due diligence. Don't take financial advice from people on the internet, and collect what you love. With that being said, stay legendary. Let me know what you think about the burning feature possibly we could get on VeVe, how that might affect things. Drop a comment on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Check you on the next one.